So this happened. That means we have winners. Stay tuned. Let's see who won. Okay, ladies, so we have hit the 8,000 subscriber mark. That means this giveaway is happening, and I want you guys to stay all the way to the end of the video because I have 4 beautiful ladies that have won this giveaway, and I am super excited and I can't wait to get all their information so I can just send this out already. I'm super excited. Hope that you are one of the winners. Please comment down below your information, or I will be linking my email so you can get back to me. So let's get to it. Well, our first winner is Lindsay, and she left this beautiful comment, and she has won this plant set. Congratulations, honey. Please leave your information so we can get that to you as soon as possible. Our second winner is Judy with this beautiful comment from all the way from Texas, and she has won the utensils and the lemonade picture. Congratulations, honey. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I do it with the happy, sincere heart for all of you beautiful girls out there. Okay, let's see who's next. Let's see who has won. And the one and only Chrissy, all the way from Canada. She has won the canisters with the wood tops, the ceramic canisters. Congratulations, honey. Come and send your information so I can send these to you. Congrats, and thank you for commenting down below. Now I think we have another winner for the glass canisters, and that winner is Donna Mays. Congratulations, Donna, for winning the glass Rae Dunn canisters. I am so happy. I loved your comments and everything you wrote down. I really enjoyed reading that story. Thank you, and congrats. Remember to send your information. Okay, ladies, remember to get back to me. You have 24 hours since this video has posted to get back to me through email or comment down below. So I will be waiting for that. Congratulations once again to all you beautiful ladies.